Hey guys, welcome back to another video you guys requested. So now I am providing a beginner's workout for the plus size women. This is what I've been doing as my mini workout. It's very small, so let's go ahead and get started. So I would advise to get a bit of fresh air and walk around your neighborhood first, or if you are too intimidated to do that, you can definitely walk around in your house for 10 minutes. So I wanted to show you guys an outfit that I'm wearing that is actually very comfortable for working out either at home or in the gym. These leggings are from Fabletics. They are very comfortable. They now go up to a size 4X. And the best thing about their leggings, this is not sponsored by the way, but the best thing about their leggings is that I don't experience the roll down when I'm like doing my squats or just moving around in general. So this particular pair has pockets on both sides and I absolutely love them. So you guys can check them out below for more leggings. I want you to feel that you care. So the first thing I'm going to do is squats. I normally do a set or two of 16. So actually 2 sets of 16. So yeah, I have not worked out for years prior to these last couple of weeks being quarantined, and so this is a good workout for me, y'all. I am not a trainer. My form is not always the best, but this mini home workout has been helping me get back into my stride. What I'm using is like this, I think it's kettlebell or whatever. It's 10 pounds, and I use that to work out my arms as well as doing my squats to kind of get both muscles working. And I just do alternate one arm at a time. So this, will get you burning, honey. I'm not gonna move until you do. And this time, I need you to be on my side. Be with me every second of. Because I am trying to do everything in my willpower to get rid of this bus driver booty, honey, I am doing more squat-like exercises. So these are lunges. The best form is to make sure that your knee is at a 90-degree angle, not going over your ankle, which is not exactly what I'm doing. But again, first 2 weeks, and my form will definitely get better. But I do 16 sets per leg. And yeah, I also want to let you guys know, once you get better at doing one set, then like for the next week, increase a set of all of these different exercises, and that will help get you more in shape for where you're trying to go. This is actually one of my favorite exercises because not only will it help plump your booty from underneath, but it will also help you be able to walk in heels better. It will strengthen your ankles, and honey, your calves will be looking amazing. Okay, so I like to do calf raises. I do the quote-unquote dance style. So I do 4 different sets of 16 and counts, and then you can see how I'm changing my foot position in each one. The first set was my feet straight together. Second set is my feet straight apart. Third set is going to be my feet in the dancer, I think it's like not a plie, but with your feet outward like this, apart. And then the fourth set will be with them in the same position but together. So yeah, it's 4 sets of 16 counts, and honey, you will feel the burn. I try to not take a break until like I get ready to start the 3rd set, but honey, it gets to burning, like, trust me. So next we are going to do arm curls with this 10-pound weight. For the arm curls, I do a set of 20 for each arm, and yeah, I like using this weight because it has the opening so I can put my hand in between there. And I'm starting with 10 pounds because girl, I am not trying to do too much too soon. I am no one's hero. So yes, I do, like I said, 20 per arm. And yeah, that is what I'm doing with my arms, but I also included arms with my squats. So that's pretty much all I do with my arms. We'll start increasing that a little later, but right now that's it. So I have a question mark on that name because I'm not quite sure I know that's what it's called. But basically it's like you have your body at a 45, your upper body at a 45-degree angle, and I'm doing twists like this. I do two sets of 10, and one count is a left and a right. So that's one, and then a left and a right, then two, a left and a right, three. So basically count to 10, doing that, and then do that twice. So that kind of gets the obliques. I think that's what they're called. But honey, it is tiring. And if you got to rub on yourself and dance a little bit just to get yourself motivated, honey, do that because it's your business. So next to the leg raises, basically I put my hand under my butt like so to kind of give myself some leverage. And then I raise my foot 6 inches off the ground, and then like raise my entire legs up and then down 6 inches, and then up and then down. I love the effects of this because it helps pull up your stomach. If you're dealing with like a hanging stomach like myself, doing these like 3 to 5 times a week will really help raise your lower stomach and just bring everything up. And yeah, they're not fun to do, but the effects are amazing. And I know that because I used to do them in high school all the time. So yes, really like this, and I hope you guys like this workout routine. I wanted to make sure to do one where you can actually see plus size women like myself that struggle working out and have the stomach and the flab and everything, and you can see me do it and then know exactly what you can do at home, and you're capable of everything regardless of what people make you think you can or cannot do. But yeah, that was today's mini workout. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day.